Let's have a look at a couple of methods of adding and subtracting numbers in standard form. One way of doing it is by converting both into a normal number and then adding them up, and then as a last step converting the result back into a standard form. So in our specific example here, I will convert 7.3 times 10 to the power 5 to an ordinary number or a normal number. That will be 730,000. And if I then convert 4.2 times 10 to the power 4 to a normal number, that will be 42,000. Now I'm going to add them up. That will be 0, 0, 0, 2, 7, and 7. So our result is 772,000. And all we need to do now is convert it to a standard form. That's 3, 4, and 5. So the result would be 7.72 times 10 to the power of 5. Now, this whole calculation will become tedious when this power is large. It will be time consuming. Therefore, I will strongly advise this second method that I'm going to show you now. So here is what you need to do. You need to write both of the numbers using the higher power. So if we look at these two numbers, the one on the left has higher index than the one on the right. Therefore, we say that this is the higher power. So we want both of the numbers to be represented as some number times 10 to the power 5. That's our aim. So the first number is already represented with the higher power. So it is going to be 7.3 times 10 to the power 5. So there's no problem with that. And what I'm going to do now is, as I want to represent this number with the higher power, I'm going to multiply this by 10. Okay, so that will become 10 to the power 5. Now, so since this number is now going to be 10 times larger, to compensate it, I'm going to divide this number by 10. So it's going to be 0.42 times 10 to the power 5. Now, they may not both be in standard form, but this will help us to add the numbers. So we have 7.3 many 10 to the power 5 and 0.42 many 10 to the power 5. So to find out how many 10 to the power 5 we would have, all we need to do, we need to add these two numbers up. So that will be 7.3 plus 0.42, and it will be 2, 7, and 7 here. Therefore, our result will be 7.72 times 10 to the power 5, which is exactly the same number as here. Always, remember, always you need to represent both of the numbers with the higher power. And the same rule applies if the powers are negative. You always pick the higher power. That's all for today.